مرحباً.
Welcome to our channel, Learn with Safaa. In our 5 words a day series, today we're learning the words related to the hospital. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one,
مستشفى.
hospital. Let's repeat.
مستشفى.
Hospital. We can also use the word
مشفى.
for hospital. The next one,
في المستشفى.
at the hospital. Let's repeat.
في المستشفى.
At the hospital. Let's see an example.
هذا المستشفى كبير.
This hospital is big. Let's repeat.
هذا المستشفى كبير.
This hospital is big. The next one,
طبيب.
doctor. For male, we use
طبيب.
doctor. And for female, we use
طبيبة.
doctor. Let's repeat.
طبيب. طبيبة.
Doctor. Let's see an example.
أنا لدي ميعاد مع الطبيب غداً.
I have an appointment with the doctor tomorrow. Let's repeat.
أنا لدي ميعاد مع الطبيب غداً.
I have an appointment with the doctor tomorrow. The next one,
مريض.
patient. For male, we use
مريض.
and for female, we use
مريضة.
let's repeat.
مريض. مريضة.
Patient. Let's see an example.
يذهب المريض إلى المشفى.
The patient goes to the hospital. Let's repeat.
يذهب المريض إلى المشفى.
The patient goes to the hospital. The next one,
صيدلية.
pharmacy. Let's repeat.
صيدلية.
Pharmacy. Let's see an example.
الصيدلية خلف المستشفى.
The pharmacy is behind the hospital. Let's repeat.
الصيدلية خلف المستشفى.
The pharmacy is behind the hospital. The next one,
دواء.
medicine. Let's repeat.
دواء.
Medicine. Let's see an example.
اشتريت الدواء من الصيدلية.
I bought the medicine from the pharmacy. Let's repeat.
اشتريت الدواء من الصيدلية.
I bought the medicine from the pharmacy. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.